Hello guys, once again this is Task Tours, and we're gonna go over how I made this door. It's a French style door that is designed like a barn style. Basically, I bought all the stuff that I needed for this little project at Home Depot, and it's a fairly easy project. Anybody can do it. It's just kind of follow the steps and measure and cut, and then once you're all done, just install the doors. But we're gonna go in a little detail. I'll go over each individual item, which items I purchased, and then I'll go ahead and describe. I'll go ahead and describe how I put it all together. So let's get to it. So you're gonna need some liquid nails. You'll probably need about 4 tubes of them. You're gonna need 4 of these hinges. And you're also gonna need 2 of these door handles. You're also gonna need 2 sheets of the 4x8 in this pattern that you will use to put onto the door. And I also used the 1x4 trim plank. I used it's just a vinyl 1x4 squared both edges. You guys will need one of these cheap doors, just plain, with no cuts or anything. I just bought one of these. They got no holes, they got nothing. It's just pick your size, whatever you need, and that's it. Or if you'd like, you can use the doors that already have the casing and everything if you're inserting a new casing into the opening. So it all depends on where you're putting the door, and if it's an existing opening or an opening that is completely brand new and you're putting in completely new doors and you need the casing in it as well. And for the door casing, I used the 1x4. It's a maple board, and I trimmed out the door all the way around. It's a 1x4 maple board. So basically what I did was I purchased 2 simple doors, as I showed in the video previously. I cut those doors to the height that I need them to, and once I cut them down, all I did was I took the paneling and I cut this paneling to the size of each individual door. Obviously I try to cut the panels so they fit exactly each door the same way, so that the grooves and all the lines, they match up, as you can see right there. But once I got it all cut to the size of each individual door, and I cut it so that each door has the grooves the same way, lined up, all I used was liquid nails, and I applied the liquid nails onto the door and then placed the paneling onto the door. Once I placed the paneling on the door, what I did was I secured it. I took a nail gun. It's like a trim nail gun. Real small nails. You could use a staple gun, air staple gun hooked up to air compressor, and I put in a few nails to hold it in place while the liquid nail sets in. Once both the doors had the paneling on, what I did was I placed these trim pieces, as you want to call it, boards. It's just a I believe it's a 1x5, 1x6 maybe. But I went ahead and also placed that on liquid nails. So basically what you would do is just cut it the size, measure it, make sure the top and bottom is sitting at about the same distance, so it's symmetrical. But you can use your imagination. You can add more boards to make it more rustic looking. My situation, I just used two boards horizontally, and that's it. Once you cut them to size, go ahead and place them on. I set them on liquid nails, added a couple brad nails as well from a air gun. And once that's all done, you're pretty much all set. You're all set to go ahead and install the door. I went ahead and pre-drilled holes for each bolt that went in, or at least giving you a hand when you need to hold something or whatnot. But I also went ahead and purchased these two handles, as I mentioned earlier in the video, and I went ahead and put this in as well. You could pre-drill the holes for these screws. I didn't. I just went ahead and placed them in since the screws are real small. But you can pre-drill them. It's up to you. But I mean, like I said, I didn't pre-drill. I just screwed in the screws and that's it. Once you're done, don't make a mistake not priming the door. You gotta buy some primer. I purchased just a regular all-purpose primer that goes on raw material before you put paint. And due to the fact is that if you put primer, the paint sticks better. So when you're going to be painting it, the paint actually sticks without the paint peeling. I know somebody that painted without using primer on a raw wall, on a wall that never saw paint, and that paint started peeling later on. So always, if you have a surface that has never been painted, always apply primer first. You can buy any kind of primer for wood or drywall or anything like that. Any of that type of material. Just purchase. Just get a primer, prime it, and once you prime it, you're all set to go ahead and paint it. But that's the barn style doors that I did for our closet. I know a lot of people would go for that look, and well, wish you guys luck. And if you liked the video, hit the thumbs up, subscribe for more videos like this, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take care.